Hello friends, today we will discuss the exercise of the third topic of the 11th physics, motion in a plane. So first MCQ is an object thrown from moving bus is an example of, we know when any object thrown from the bus then it will be follow path of the projectile motion. Therefore answer of the first MCQ is projectile motion. Second example MCQ is for a particle having UCM, which of the following is constant? In UCM, particle performing motion with constant speed. Therefore answer of this MCQ is speed. Third MCQ is the bob of a conical pendulum undergoes, let's see, suppose this is bob of this conical pendulum, then this bob will be follow circular motion in horizontal direction. Therefore its answer is uniform motion in horizontal. Fourth question is for uniform acceleration in rectilinear, which of the following is not correct? When acceleration of the body is linear, then the velocity time graph is linear, but fourth option is velocity time graph is non-linear. Therefore this one is not correct. Last fifth MCQ is if three particles A, B, C are having velocities A bar, B bar and C bar, which of the following gives relative velocity A with respect to B? Here A bar, B bar and C bar are the three velocities of the three particles. They have asking relative velocity of A with respect to B, which can be calculated by subtracting velocity of A minus velocity of B. This will be give relative velocity of particle A with respect to B. Here next in question 2, third question is a car travels with speed 50 km per hour for 30 minutes, then 30 km per hour for next 1/4 hour means 15 minutes, and 70 km per hour for next 3/4 hour means 45 minutes, and they are asking about average speed. We know speed is equal to distance upon time. To calculate average speed, average formula of the average speed is total distance upon total time. Therefore we have to first calculate total distance. Now for this, consider these are the three intervals. This is first, second and third. We have to calculate first distance for the respective interval. Means by we can calculate distance for this interval by using formula distance is equal to speed into time plus for this second interval and then last interval. Therefore total distance is equal to s1 into t1 plus s2 into t2 plus s3 into t3. By putting these values we will get here 25 plus 7.5 plus 52.5, and we get total distance is equal to 85 km. Now we have to calculate average speed, which is equal to total distance upon total time. We have already calculated total distance, which is equal to 85 km, and total time means t1 plus t2 plus t3, which is equal to 1.5 hour. Therefore average speed is 85 upon 1.5, which gives answer 56.67 km per hour. So this is our final answer. Average speed is equal to 56.67 km per hour.